The oceans covering more than 70% of our planet, we know the colorful coral reefs shimmering just below the surface, the fast-swimming schools of fish. But this is just the beginning of the story. The real mystery lies in the depths where sunlight never reaches. Welcome to one of the last frontiers on Earth, the home of astonishing creatures that defy pitch darkness and crushing pressure. This is the region we know as the deep ocean. It generally covers areas below 200 meters, about 650 feet, where sunlight cannot penetrate. In these depths, conditions are extreme. Temperatures approach freezing point, and the pressure reaches hundreds, even thousands of times that at the surface, enough to easily crush a piece of metal. This is a world where life seems impossible. But we are mistaken. One of the most fascinating adaptations against the darkness, bioluminescence. That is the ability of living things to produce their own light. Anglerfish use glowing lures to attract prey. Some jellyfish communicate with light in times of danger, while others use their glow for camouflage. This living light show is one of the most captivating secrets of the deep. And what about that crushing pressure? The bodies of deep-sea creatures have evolved to withstand this incredible force. Many have cartilage instead of bones, or their bodies have a gelatinous structure. Their cell membranes and proteins have special structures that allow them to function under high pressure. They are nature's engineering marvels. Finding food in this dark world is also a major challenge. Since there is no sunlight, plant life, photosynthesis, is impossible. Much of the life here depends on organic particles slowly drifting down from the sunlit zones above, known as marine snow. Some creatures are master predators, ambushing their prey in the dark or feeding on carcasses on the ocean floor. To survive, their metabolism is often very slow, which also allows them to live long lives. However, one of the most surprising discoveries in the deep ocean is ecosystems entirely independent of the sun. Hydrothermal vents. Around these chimneys, formed by superheated, mineral-rich water seeping from cracks in the Earth's crust, a completely different kind of life blossoms. Here, the basis of life is not solar energy, but chemical energy. Through a process called chemosynthesis, bacteria and archaea convert these chemicals into energy, forming the food source for many unique creatures, from giant tube worms to blind crabs. This discovery fundamentally changed our understanding of the limits of life on Earth. Despite all these discoveries, the depths of the oceans remain the least understood region of our planet. We have mapped only a small percentage of the ocean floor and explored only a fraction of the depths. It's estimated that more than 95% of the deep oceans remain unexplored. Every dive holds the potential to reveal new species, new adaptations, even new ecosystems harboring clues about the origins of life. Scientists, using robotic vehicles and advanced submersibles, are pushing the boundaries to understand this mysterious world. Why is it important to understand these unexplored worlds? Because these deep-sea ecosystems play critical roles in regulating our planet's climate, in nutrient cycles, and in biodiversity. They also hold incredible potential for new medicines and biotechnological applications. However, these fragile environments face threats from climate change, pollution, and potential deep-sea mining. To protect them, we must first understand them. The depths of the oceans are one of the last great frontiers on Earth, a realm filled with strange and wonderful creatures that challenge our imagination. It's a vast world full of secrets, waiting to be discovered, whose surface we have only just begun to scratch. As the light of science reaches these dark corners, how much more will we learn about our planet and the life upon it? The journey of discovery continues,